welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia if you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing and how you can start today. So if you're new to my channel, I actually started this channel January of this year, and I'm so excited because I've been able to make money with affiliate marketing with no experience, and it's super easy. It's not anything hard at all. Anybody can do it. You just need to know, per se, like what you're looking for, how to probably input your links, how to find your audience, and different things like that. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. I was able to partner up with companies through their affiliate programs, and I actually shared companies that I already had experience with prior. So what I pretty much did was just go to these companies' websites, and then I, look for to see if they offer like affiliate programs, and then some of them did. So I was like, okay, perfect. I already have experience with these companies. How can I share this with people that I'm already sharing similar information with, right? So I was able to join the affiliate programs, and then I was approved for the affiliate programs, and literally I just put the links. I talked about my experience, and then I made money. So my very first month, I made about $365. So these people who say like, oh, 10,000, like you have to start from somewhere, right? So I'm just giving you my experience from starting from zero. And then the following month, I actually made over $700. And so, as you're seeing, like it's growing over time. And so when it comes to affiliate marketing, I feel like anybody can do it. You just need to know like what type of products or what type of services you're going to share. I would always say be genuine. I'm going to get into the details, and I'm going to actually show you how you can do affiliate marketing, right? This is going to be a full tutorial where you can learn how to do affiliate marketing. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. The first thing I do want to share is that you need to make a list. So you want to make a list of companies that you already have experience with or that you plan on getting experience with. I would also tell you to make sure they're all kind of related in the same, way. So let's say you have a travel channel or, a travel TikTok. You want to find products or services that relate to your travel, TikTok, right? Because you really can't come to your travel TikTok audience and share with them, maybe what vitamins you take or something like that, right? So you want to share something that's relevant to what people watch you for. So I would say make a list, and then once you make that list, you want to pick a platform. So you may already be on a platform. There's TikTok, there's YouTube, there's Instagram, and so I would say pick your platform. I would recommend starting with one platform. That way, like you can master the platform and really just figure out your strategy. So if you don't know, is that I always talk about strategy and being able to like figure out a process, right? Like, so mastering that process and that strategy, because when you go into anything, you're 9 times out of 10 going into it with not understanding like what does it entail, like what do you need to be successful. And so before you enter into anything, you need to make sure that you're going to be successful in it, which means that you do your research. You're making sure that you're coming up with a strategy that is already proven, right? Because if you try to come into it with a strategy that's not already proven, it's going to be more delayed. Like, it's going to take you a little bit longer. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it depends if you have time on your side or you don't. So I would say, you definitely want to have a strategy. You want to do your research. You want to pick a platform that you feel like you can be consistent with and that you enjoy. And I would say 9 times out of 10, a platform that you're already on, because you'll be more familiar with it. So if you're on YouTube a lot, I would recommend a YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok a lot, I would say a TikTok, IG, and so on. You want to pick a platform and you want to make your list. So after you have those two things, the next thing you want to do is do your research, right? So you have the platform, you have the niche or the type of products you're going to be using. I would say find similar channels that are doing things similar to what you're interested in doing. So in doing your research, you want to find a company that's doing things similar to what you wanted to do. So if you want to have a travel affiliate marketing, page, or you want to offer affiliate marketing through your travel page, see what strategies are they using to drive traffic to their channels. I'm not saying to copy them. Don't copy what they're doing, right? But you can get ideas like, okay, people like to hear this type of information, but how can you make it your own and things like that. And so that's what I mean by looking at your competition, because, success leaves clues and you want to be successful. So yeah, you definitely want to do that. And then also you want to pay attention to things like what hashtags are they using, if it's TikTok or Instagram or something, kind of like what wordings are they using, how are they drawing in their audience, what do people seem to like about their posts that's drawing people in. So you want to pay attention to all of those things. Another thing I also say is when you're looking at your competition, look at their most popular videos or their most popular, like the most popular TikToks or whatever the case may be, just so you can get an idea of, like I said, what's working for them, and you can start and basically get a head start, right? So that is my advice when it comes to that, because this same strategy and you doing the research is going to be able to drive traffic to your page or your channel, which is then in return going to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing links, which I'll talk about in a little bit. So yeah, so when it comes to competition, you want to do that. Let me show you guys on the computer how to do these things. So I'm literally, like, in order to find an affiliate program, a lot of companies call them partner programs. So don't be confused if you're looking up a company and you see like partner program instead of affiliate, marketing or whatever the case might be, or affiliate. Partner is the same thing, right? So I would say you can literally go to Google and you can type in Best Buy. So Best Affiliate Program, right? It already came up. I did do my research before. That's why you see that. And literally type in Best Buy affiliate program, and then they tell you that they have an affiliate program, so you can earn money with this. It tells you every time somebody makes a qualifying purchase, you earn a commission. It's obviously free. Never let anybody charge you for becoming an affiliate. There's no charge for that. And then you would just sign up here. So actually, I'm already have an account with Impact, and a lot of these companies, you will find that they all are partnered with like maybe major affiliate marketing companies like Impact, ShareASale. You would just register with Impact. They ask you for like your link to your website or whatever you're promoting. So your IG link, it'll be your TikTok link, whatever the case might be. And you just want to go ahead and register your account with them. And then you just want to explain to them what you'll be sharing or what you'll be talking about. So it's not hard at all. It's actually a very simple application for you to complete. So now when you find an affiliate program, you literally, I would say Google, once you make your list, go to those different websites, and then you want to look for their affiliate link or their partner link. Join the affiliate program, and then the next thing you're going to do is you need to get your link. So once you join the program, they will have your specific links. They will offer you your affiliate link, and that's the link that you want to use. I do recommend, let me show you, I do recommend Bitly. And so there's a free version to Bitly that you can use in order to like shorten your links, because sometimes the links are pretty long, and so you want to shorten the links in order to just put it and make it super convenient. So depending on like YouTube, if you realize I use Bitly and it's free, I use the free version. I don't use the paid version. You still get like the numbers on how many people clicked on your links and things like that. And the affiliate programs tell you how many people click on your links. But this is literally how you can get started for free. Like, it's super simple. There's not much to it. Like, if I'm being honest, like, I'm no computer guru. Like, you don't have to be all of that. Like, you just need to do research and strategy, and then like do the work ahead of time to make sure that when you're putting this information out there, that you will be successful. So this is Bitly. This is the site. Let me log into Bitly. In order to create your Bitly link, you literally go here, you click create. You will put in your affiliate marketing link right here, and then you would do create, right? And then it's literally that simple. And then you could put, like, if you want to put what source it was, TikTok or whatever, the case might be. And then you literally create it, and they give you the link. So it's super easy to use Bitly. I love Bitly. It's the go, and it's free. So you got Bitly, you're going to have your links, you have your affiliate links, and now at this point, you're creating the content. So you need to plan, and you need to create content. So you saw your competition, you saw what's working for them, what's not really working for them, you made your list, you applied to your affiliate program links, and then now you need to create your content. What I would recommend is probably creating maybe a few pieces of content, maybe 5 to 6. Starting out, I would say just start with 1, just so you can get a feel and figure things out. But whatever that content looks like for you, right? Also based on the research that you have done. Maybe you don't want to show your face. Maybe you want to show your face. Maybe you're only showing the product. Like whatever works for you based on the research that you have done, do that. So create your content, and then I would say if you can batch content, let's say you're gonna do 3 weeks worth of content in order to, share those affiliate links or things like that, or using one product multiple ways in order to show how it works for you, that's an idea. So once you create your content, you can always reference, how you see like people, the link is in the bio, the link is in the description box. you want to put it and make sure you give them a call to action. So you want to tell them where can they find your link. It's in the comments. You pinned it in the comments. So these are all like ideas, and then you literally put your Bitly link, right? You're putting the affiliate link, which is shortened by Bitly, and you're gonna put that there. If you're gonna use Amazon, let me make sure. I would say use a deep link. So URL Genius has deep links. The reason why you want to use a deep link if you decide to do Amazon is because it's gonna jump them right to the Amazon app if they have it on their phone. And so you ever clicked on a link and it just opens up like in Safari or something like that. The downside of that is that people usually are just going to go to the app, but then you won't get credit for that. And so the deep link allows it to go directly to the app to get credit, and it doesn't have to ask them to sign in, because 9 times out of 10 they might not even sign in, right? And then you lost a customer, or you lost that affiliate commission. So if you are going to do things like Amazon or things that people have apps for, make sure you're doing deep links. Let me actually show you URL Genius really quick. URL Genius. All you have to do, super simple, deep links. You literally would enter the URL. So you will put the affiliate link here, and then it will ask you, see the most popular apps for deep linking that they use. You just literally put the link here. So let's say I just wanted to do this. All right. You put that here, and then it gives you the option, right? So then you want to compose it, and they ask if you want to make it unique. But let's say I had put like an Amazon link here. It's literally going to make a deep link to Amazon. So let's say you were promoting on TikTok Amazon products. I'm going to click on your deep link. It's going to jump me to my Amazon app that's already in my phone, which means that you're going to automatically get credit once I check out. And you get credit for, majority of the time, you're going to get credit for, depending on the company, but majority of the time, you would get credit for everything that you check out with in your shopping cart. So you would get a percentage of that, and that just depends on the company. People really like when you give them value, right? They appreciate it. They feel love, like they feel that you're genuine. So giving top-notch value in the sense of just sharing what you know and making it quality. That's literally all I mean. Again, make sure that you are being genuine. People can feel like they would know when you're like trying to run game on them. That's just like human instinct. Unfortunately, us as women, we don't always know that. But yeah. So make sure you're being genuine. And if you are consistent, like I said, in my first 30 days, I already made over $300. And then my next 30 days, I made over $700. So it is possible. Like, I'm not coming to you with any prior experience when it comes to affiliate marketing. I just put 1 and 2 together, did my research. And so I'm sharing with you what I know, right? Because this is the same thing I would have done. I would have Googled how to make money with affiliate marketing, which you did. Hey. And yeah, so I'm excited for you guys. Definitely make it happen. If you're watching this video and you made it to this point, you can do it. Like, literally do everything. Make your list, look up your competition, apply to the affiliate programs, do your deep links, do your Bitleys, pick a platform, and do it great. Like, just do it. Like, I never knew that I would be making money with affiliate marketing. So that tells you a lot. Like, I never even knew I would even have a YouTube channel. So put yourself out there. You don't know what's going to happen until you put yourself out there. So I encourage you guys to put yourself out there. Be positive, think positive, make a plan for yourself, do your research, and I love you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to growing with you all. I love you guys, and take care. Bye.